Ripple XRP global takeover begins now. Could BitBoy be right? XRP news, XRP price set on chart. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are gonna discuss if Ripple XRP global takeover begins now and also the greatest XRP news today. But before we start, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Ripple's executives are seeking data on XRP transactions made on foreign exchanges to prove that most tokens were sold to non-U.S. citizens. It's the latest twist in the ongoing legal battle with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The legal team representing Ripple executives has filed a motion aiming to collect in-depth data on XRP sales conducted on foreign cryptocurrency exchanges. This is the firm's latest move in the discovery process of the ongoing lawsuit. Ripple is hoping to use data of XRP sales on overseas crypto exchanges for its defense case against the Securities and Exchange Commission. In the ongoing legal battle, Ripple is accused of selling XRP as unregistered securities. However, the company's executives have claimed that the sales did not break U.S. law. They're now hoping to prove their case by gathering new information from exchanges. In a notice submitted Wednesday, co-defendants in the ongoing lawsuit, Ripple Executive Chairman Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse have confirmed that they are seeking data from 15 cryptocurrency exchanges, where they made XRP extractions dating back to 2013. The defendants requested the court to issue letters of request under the Hague Convention to authorities in the Cayman Islands, Hong Kong, South Korea, the UK, Singapore, Seychelles, and Malta. The request asked for information about the defendants' XRP transactions, including how much XRP was bought and sold, IP addresses, and trading policy. The defendants claimed that they were unable to source this data independently and therefore needed the court's help. If approved by the judge, the letters of request will be issued to the foreign regulators, who will forward them to the cryptocurrency exchanges where the defendants made transactions in XRP. The exchanges include AscendX, formerly BitMax, Bitfinex, Bit4X, BitThumb, BitLish, BitTrue, Bitstamp, Coinbean, CoinOne, HitBTC, Huobi Global, Corebit, OK Exchange, Upbit, and ZB Network. With the request, Ripple hopes to be able to prove that the majority of XRP was sold on foreign exchanges that lie outside the scope of Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1933. The same regulation the SEC alleges that Ripple and its executives violated in the lawsuit filed in December of 2020. The SEC alleges that the defendants collectively sold more than $1.3 billion worth of unregistered securities in the form of XRP to investors across various global trading platforms. The information it is seeking with letters of request would show that most of the defendants' XRP sales were not domestics and therefore not under the jurisdiction of U.S. regulation, their lawyers said. They argue that the U.S. Supreme Court has already ruled in a prior 2010 case, Morrison versus National Australia Bank, that the Securities Act of 1933 is only applicable to domestic sales and offers of securities. The motion stated, the discovery that the individual defendants seek will be relevant to demonstrating that the offers and sales that the SEC challenges did not occur in this country and are not subject to the law that the SEC has invoked in this case. The legal team added in the motion that documents would provide important evidence on whether the SEC's jurisdiction extends to the sale of XRP on a particular exchange. Notable cryptocurrency lawyer Jeremy Hogan agreed with the same argument on Twitter. Quote, "The issue is the SEC's jurisdiction over sales to non-U.S. nationals. He said, if no jurisdiction, the SEC can't do anything about them. With the latest motion filed by Ripple, the discovery process in the lawsuit has taken a new turn. So far, Ripple's defense had been focused on fair notice. It argued that the firm should have been notified before the SEC decided to file a lawsuit. In response, the SEC attacked the defense by claiming there was no need for fair notice. To refute the defense, the agency requested the court to allow access to the legal advice Ripple received over XRP sales in the past. The case's judge dismissed the request. However, now the defense may have moved to question whether the SEC's allegations hold legal ground on the basis that XRP sales have largely happened outside the US. In regards to foreign discovery, the SEC has gathered data on XRP sales with foreign entities, including exchanges and Ripple's business partners. However, in that instance, the objective was to check if XRP transactions from defendants affected the price of assets on foreign exchanges. It's currently unclear whether Ripple will be allowed to access the data for its defense, but it could be a huge win for them if the request is approved. Also, Ripple's CEO has been granted access to information on XRP transactions from Binance. The CEO of Ripple has been approved access to Binance's documents of XRP transactions. Sarah Netburn, the presiding judge in Ripple's ongoing lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission, has granted Brad Garlinghouse's motion to obtain documents from Binance. Garlinghouse is one of the defendants in the lawsuit filed by the SEC for an alleged violation of the Securities Act of 1933. Last week, the legal team representing Garlinghouse filed a motion requesting data on XRP sales from Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. The motion of request was made as part of the foreign discovery process by Ripple to gather data on all XRP sales made on the exchange. The motion was recently approved, which is not surprising as the SEC did not object to it. The approval has been considered a small win for Ripple in the legal case. The court will now issue a letter of request to the Cayman Islands-based exchange on behalf of Garlinghouse. If Binance heeds to the request, it will provide documents that may be used as evidence in the case. In the lawsuit filed in December of 2020, the SEC alleged that Ripple and its executive CEO Brad Garlinghouse and executive chairman Chris Larsen sold unregistered securities, profited $1.3 billion in unregistered security sales over the span of 8 years. The allegation has been refuted by Ripple's legal team. They also recently cited the lack of clarity defense and said that the SEC did not make its securities regulations clearer. Now they have planned another defense. By showing XRP sales that occurred outside the US, the Ripple team plans to show the SEC may not have jurisdiction over such sales. In that regard, Binance is an important source of data on XRP sales. Previously, Ripple was allowed to seek similar data from other exchanges where XRP sales were made, including Bitfinex, Bithumb, Bitstamp, HitBTC, Huobi Global, and OK Exchange. Market participants are rushing into positions as cryptocurrencies surge to higher highs. XRP is one of the altcoins that has taken the lead in the recent run-up, fueled by massive buying pressure from whales. Ripple's XRP token is breaking out. The asset entered a brief consolidation period after moving past the psychological $1 resistance level on August 11th. Its price action was characterized by a series of lower highs and higher lows, leading to the formation of a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart. A sudden spike in buy order has allowed XRP to break out of the consolidation pattern in the last few hours. By measuring the height of the triangle's y-axis and adding it to the breakout point, the technical formation project's nearly 20% target, further upward pressure could catapult XRP towards $1.25. Behavior analytics platform Santiment shows that the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap has the buying pressure it needs to achieve its upside potential. Based on supply distribution, the number of addresses holding more than 1 million XRP tokens has surged to nearly 4.4% in the last 3 days. Roughly 14 whales have joined the Ripple network since August 10th. The growing number of large investors backing Ripple may seem insignificant at first glance. Still, when considering that these whales hold 1.17 million in XRP, the sudden spike in buy orders is substantial. As long as the $1.14 support level continues to hold, the bullish thesis will prevail. Failing to hold above this crucial support level may lead to a spike in profit taking that pushes XRP to the next significant demand barrier at $1.05. Most cryptocurrencies in the market have resumed their uptrend, and several have even posted new all-time highs, although XRP has remained stagnant over the last 2 weeks. Multiple technical indicators suggest that it is poised to break out imminently. The 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap has endured a 10-day-long stagnation period, making a series of lower highs and higher lows. Such price behavior has led to the formation of a symmetrical triangle on its 4-hour chart. As XRP edges closer towards the triangle's apex, it signals that volatility is about to strike back. A 30.74% price move would likely follow a 4-hour candlestick close above $1.26 or below $1.18. This target is determined by measuring the height of the symmetrical triangle's y-axis and adding it to the breakout point. Despite the ambiguous outlook that the symmetrical triangle represents, the parabolic stop and reverse, or SAR, seem to be leaning towards the positive side. This trend-following indicator forecasts that the downswing seen over the weekend reached an exhaustion after moving below XRP's price on the 4-hour chart. Historically, the stop and reversal system has been highly effective in determining the course for XRP. The last 2 times the parabolic SAR flipped from bearish to bullish within a 4-hour chart, XRP's price dropped by 32.43% and 14.72%. Similar price action could take place now that the parabolic stop and reverse points have turned bullish. A spike in buying pressure that pushes XRP beyond the triangle's upper trend line at $1.26 could lead to a 30.74% breakout towards $1.65. Still, traders must pay close attention to the $1.18 support level, as any downswing below it may serve as an invalidation of optimistic outlook. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then.